My name is Angela Gakula Benin, and I'm looking forward to be part of Team Hortons as food counter attendant. I'm 26 years of age, single. I'm a 4 years graduate, and while I'm studying, I supported myself by working at Jollibee Foods Corporation, first being a kitchen crew as pantry crew, and I'm in charge of all the preparation for pantry products like spaghetti, macaroni, and the like. I'm in charge of making sure that all pantry products are served on its standard texture, temperature, and taste. After a while, I became a crew trainer and I trained all the newbies. And since I'm part of Jollibee Foods Corporation scholarship program, I'm tasked to do a cross-train for cashier, so I became a part of a counter crew, and I'm responsible for doing suggested selling, taking orders, doing customer relation, and I also became a crew trainer for counter. Now, right after I ended my contract on Jollibee, I opted to work at call center, and I can cater all the customers from the United States and Canada for T-Mobile account. But since my passion is really at fast food chain, I opted to go back to Jollibee Foods Corporation, and now presently being a manager, and I'm in charge of sales, so I'm making sure that all our daily targets for sales are being met, and also I'm helping my crew to ease the operation, especially during peak hours. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.